How to make Wien bridge oscillator. Okay, first of all, just let's look on this. Then we will discuss. Okay, this circuit will be like this. This is R C and the tank is R C, like this, and here this point will be VF from here to ground, and from here to here ground will be B naught. Yes, here B naught. Now let's analyze this one. This is R, this is C, this is R, this is C. In Z term, this total will be what? Our Z2, and this will be Z1, and so BF will be B naught multiply Z2 by Z1 plus Z2. Yes, then BF by B naught is equal to Z2 by Z1 plus Z2. Then this Z2 is minus RJX. Okay, this R, and this is 1 by omega C, and I'm writing this in term of JX now. Yes, this is XC, which XC is 1 by omega C, and now I'm just writing this minus JX. Yes, then this is R minus JX total divided by this is JX by J minus X. Yes, this term plus R minus JX. Now further simplification, minus JRX R minus JX total divided by this will be R minus JX minus JX plus R minus JX square. This is minus JRX by R minus JX multiply by R minus AX by minus RJX plus R square minus 2RJX plus J square X square. This now this will be JRX by this cancels, minus this term and this term, right here JRX. Yes, I am going to take J common. Yes, here J, and minus JR square. This R square I am going to make J like this. Yes, then J x square minus 3x in this way. Yes, then further simplification. Okay, so that our this term will be less right here. This term, our bf by b naught will be r x by j x square minus r square minus 3x. We know from Barkhausen criteria there must be zero phase shift. Okay, so this term must be 0. X square minus r square equal to 0, which is x equal to r, and we know xc equal to 1 by omega c. 1 by omega c equal to r, and this is further reduced to 2 pi f c r. Therefore frequency is equal to 2 pi r c. This makes bf by b naught equal to rx by 3, rx equal to 1 by 3. And another criteria, this one is one criteria, and another criteria is it must have overall gain of unity. Since here it is attenuated by 3, we have to make gain of 3. This must, and this one 1 by 3 and 3 must be get cancelled out to make 1, so that gain must be maintained by 1 plus r3 by 4 equal to 3. Therefore r3 is equal to 2r4, which I am going to show here. Yes, in this hour this gain must be controlled from this. Yes, thank you.